Meet the family of Nick. They live in a wonderful house, but as the family grows, space is becoming an issue since they want additional outdoor space for their children to play and add extra living space, a bedroom, and storage for household items. Perhaps the Nick family's desire to remain in their cost neighborhood requested them from moving into a new house. The Jones family then came up with the idea and called the Ideal Builders Group. The Nick family was given several alternatives by the Ideal Builders Group for expanding their living space, including side extensions, back extensions, loft additions, and garage conversions. A cost and time-effective solution that can lessen disturbances to their way of life is to add an addition to their house. The Nick family engaged with an Ideal Builders firm, and after the house extension was finished, living space was no longer a problem. The Nick family's home has more space now, so they don't have to consider moving or paying stamp duty, and no need to see agents or advertise it. They are now living better. The home improvement was an investment because it raised the value of the house, and they can still live close to their friends and the school that they love. Thanks from the Nick family to the Ideal Builders Group for providing building teams for your incredible work. You might become the next family as the Nick family gets to experience.